Don't you ever put bitch after B-head, man.
In 3, 2, 1, and.
And the B-head show is.
So,
Mayigcine uma ngisha ngabo I'm a goat dog. I'm a goat.
Khale sami. So, ecabele ngicela ukuyithulisa. Yabona umuntu umenzani makavakashile bese sekagijima emabhodweni ekitchen. Yeah. Fere. Yeah, it's the B-head show. What a lovely day, man. Enyakeni omusha. Kushoda ihorn vele ntwana. Kushoda ihorn. Bafethu sanibonani emakhaya. Hey, voice yami ayikho mnandi. Angazi ukuthi ngiyazwakala lapho but yeah. Ivoice yami ihambe no Dizzy date. Hambe no December ntwana. Anyway, angabi ngiyi-1 first show sengiphethe guest and hayi ngiphethe inja.
I'm a dog. Nake dog.
Do introduce ntwana.
Ki dog. Ang introduce ko tatalo introduce jang
Ladies and
dog.
gentlemen, Mr. White.
Ki introduce
No, mara
nanto.
skime yibona lento engikhala ngayo ntwana.
Ki introduce. No, ufuna ukuthi introduce. Can I?
Ufuna ukuzi-introduce.
Yeah.
Okay, bengikuphi platform.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Mr. Wiz behind the music and Biz Marafizi. Take it easy, and if it's easy, let's all get busy. I knew this was gonna laugh.
Sorry ntwana like.
Yeah, it's fine, man.
But
You financially.
ungicala far to this. Ube slow this time. Got this
Okay.
intro out.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Mr. Weezy behind the Mizi, the Ekuleni busy, Marafizi. Take it easy, and if it's easy, let's all get busy.
Show. Okay, no matter Jack.
Keep up fast. It's your boy Mr. Weezy behind the Mizi, Ekuleni busy, Marafizi. Take it easy, and if it's easy, let's all get busy, Marafizi. I love this, man.
Yakukhavela inandisa. Ngakabafona bake sibuhudi. But
It's buhudi, man.
Sibuhudi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Umphulaphuli. Hayi umphulaphuli ule omamelayo.
Hayi mphulaphuli.
Umsasazi.
Umsasazi. Yeah.
Umphulaphuli is the phulaphula.
Bafethu sibuyile with the new bang. As always, you know the B-head show. Sicela usilandele lapho. Bafethu, sicela nisilandele Facebook, Twitter sikhona. Insta konje yethu iseyasipana. Not yet.
Insta
Okay.
sizoba khona.
Okay, sizoba khona. TikTok sizoba khona.
Yeah.
But yeah, bafethu, still follow. Kakhulu maka simdinga ku YouTube dog.
Yeah.
YouTube. By the way, sigene phezulu kwezinto eziserious mngani wami.
Yep.
Fana ka re tshwa u December.
Yeah.
In fact, ha ke re bua, how was
December
2022?
2022
2022 for you nje
was BSR ntana yo. For 2022 because it was the year after 2021 where I was unemployed, ne? And in 2022 I got a job.
sure.
Hey, Mara, it was a tough one because I was given like not been working inside sex and condoms and health and stuff, ne? And in this time I was given something to do with substance prevention and what. So it was a new space for meeting people but different, who talk different. Everything is done differently there. So I had to adapt. But then me, man, I'm dynamic and I had to adapt and adapt. What? Adaptability is my second name. So I did well. I'm very proud of myself. But one thing I did right and wrong was all at once. It was too much, Mchan.
Right and wrong.
Yeah, right,
you said the
wrong.
wrong side.
Yeah, bon.
Why you say
Ufuna iside right. Right is that multi-functioning and multitasking. I learned, but when things run parallel or concurrently, or concurrently, and then there's like Java, green numbers, and they happen all at once. About too much because they demand you same time. For instance, I became the coordinator of a campaign called South African Tobacco Free Youth Forum. I'm the deputy chairperson of the National Teenage Pregnancy Prevention Coalition, NTTPP. I coordinator program alternatives. Director dynamic. Chairperson of treatment action campaign. So I was all these things and sometimes studying. So it was self-sabotage, badly or good in another way. Ya go ne ke tsa dilo tse at once tse di ne ke di sa di fi and then di suffer ya bona di
yeah. Well, since rona cause we are a show vele tse be wang ka music art, we push art re pusha stuff sabajita unknown artist re ba isa to the next level, you understand? So I know ba bangata ba o cover but ba ipotsa hore okay
Lintato lo fitang wan cover.
yabona like okay jwale white behead
Yeah,
so
yeah.
batla re kena music intjaka
A re kene, a re kene. Yeah, yeah.
ha re buye mfethu white grand o tswa vam
Ke tsa Lesotho, ke tshweu nna ebile. Nna ke tshweu a kwana bothabotha. La monna ke la wena monna qolane monna ke a bapala ke a swasa motswalle. Tshweu ke hlaetse ko Msiliki.
oh yeah
Go Natal Spirit Hospital ko Msiliki. But my father was a politician. I love sharing this story. So nearly bodyguard ya the former prime minister called Lesotho. So unali busy man, unali all over. So nabatliwa ki batho ko Tanzania nini ngobotswana nini ngoSotho and stuff, and then they would come ko places ko Msiliki ba re harass me and my mom. Not only me. No stop pleasing Limagriza until re bona go no we need to go in hiding, and then that's when my father decided go no ke le lahlela ka nqane ho naha, and then that's how we stayed in Lesotho. I was like I think I was 4 or 5
oh
ke Lesotho ke ya nal 5 yeah 5 6 5 yeah 5 yeah and then ha ke na le 10 12 both my parents ha re fitla ka after a year my dad passed on Oscar H mna ke tlolla. And then I think what is wabona kikyalla mo yabona re tsa tse ding re tsa jale what the fuck are we doing what is chacha, and then boom pop-ups ba ka le bona e tla tlolla wa di chacha yeah I need to say tallest more never tell level and then pop-ups we say
5-2
I come and pop-ups we say tlolla manje bala angifuna ukumjabulisa
yeah
isinto ngama jokes bayifuna bakumele ikhala ishay joke
yeah so how nearly 5
so I 5 he passed on, and then my mom passed on when I was 10 11 10 turning 11 12, so ke dutse 6 years old suit. So and then they decided gore ntata iwile mma iwile, then we came back up to Ploma le Makoko. That's how I stayed Komlelek extension 2 ko 6, and that's how I became the king of this kasi.
Empa to king inspire ngoba
Ho papa
go get ntwana
aqave maybe ko ke orphan.
I'm often
Quite honestly, ntwentseng ke tsetse slam. You see now from ko primary school ne ke dula ke nka position 1.
oh so Muslim ba o determine ko rena le position 1.
Yeah, something like that. Academically I was doing well, but not only in total fail, ne keep on emotionally I was intelligent. And I'm going to say this thing. Yeah. You know abantu basaba ukuzisho wena ex izinto. Yeah.
We out.
Yeah.
Emotionally intelligent. Trust me, uyinsimbi.
I know.
Ugo backbreak inhliziyo ntwana.
Nearly. It was not actually broken, but my heart was broken for the person. It's one heartbroken, but no, when I was young.
Phela indoda ethatha into ibeke emhlane ke awuthi emotional intelligence, because that's where amajita vele si weak.
That's our weakness, ne? Yeah. Yeah. They never it happened in such a way. Then I've questioned myself for whether I've been heartbroken, heartbroken. And I found no actually, because like about honesty kai. But yeah, my heart has been broken. It broke like somebody.
2 songs that remind you of that somebody.
Or
dedicated to that somebody. 2 songs you would love to dedicate to that somebody. Anna I
nearly said and then I thought no. I don't think I'll always love it. Then I thought no, I don't think. That Eminem song. Eminem not Stan, Superman. And then
Okay,
there's
yeah,
there's a
Superman.
part that says bitches come and go.
Yeah, even Drake with sample.
With some puts.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah,
Which is they come, they
they
go.
go, yeah.
Saturday to
So
Sunday,
Monday, maybe we Sunday go. Maybe I love you Monday. Maybe we go. Yeah, no. I mean, American. No man, I can't think. There's no song when I'm on Kitchen off guard about songs that get me. Oh, heart gets broken all the time. I didn't mean it, but the problem is this time is mine.
So I'm a Malay.
This
Yeah,
time.
yeah. What about Inubande Imon?
Fuck what they say. You make me now. Hey,
Ah,
dude.
Kiona.
Kiona. Aye, that one's relevant. Hey. Fuck you are. I don't want you back. Oh, but the shit about the song that people play it, no man said I want them back, but they're like, fuck you, don't want you back. Oh, so I console. We don't talk about that nonsense, man. No, man. I work at music, man. I work at music.
This show, man.
If child, you need to hear this. Even if the kids are looking at me, but smile. So I don't know how musical because I remember this one thing for sure. Now I grew up listening because of who listening to Korean. That apollo tamanyan. Eh. Anganola nanrata, you know bana ba banrata man. Nanra she just came and said ki baby wa high. And then I retlo to dance and then. Yeah, I mean she's in her early 20s. So what I mean one
Early 20s.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's in her early 20s.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I used to listen to those things. Because Lesotho, you know. Now no bapala jazz nekitine. I'm like king to a young khatas. I wanted kwaito, you know. Kwasa to be at Mafuka them to myself. I loved kwaito. It was Sisutu, then it was kwaito, and then it was house. I hated the mid tempo, but guys. So in around my early 2006, that's when I learned to mamela kofla di genre. There's a guy by Popeye. I don't know if Popeye knows. You know Popeye?
Yeah.
Spiwe.
Spiwe, yeah.
Spiwe actually introduced music ko honna. I would get ko habontanga umametsi jazz. Makodile hola pum pum. Pum pum. And then imamets and then the karakan. And then mutu ola. So Motorola will be like, Mama, you'll be doing, you know, when somebody does, you'll be like, pop. You listen to Unketang. Ntana will be playing, so, and he knew all the dikanago guy. And now we're sitting there, I'm like,
it's been an
anthem. Talking about the cross tonton, the cross what was.
I just wonder, Mngayona, Uizile, did I didn't
I'm trying. That's important.
One thing about that music, that song,
Inyalisite batu.
I just wonder, Mngayona, we lay at
Fana. The royalties and every other thing. Oh, I wish. I think earlier we were talking about Nkalakata being, we go back to me again, about Nkalakata being one of the best songs ever because the cross, what do you call them? The crossover. Hey, Mchana, I think that song Idibulaya Kaufel. I'm sorry, man, but I don't think any song can compare with Unketsang.
Scream. Die when I'm fit. Yeah, PK in the building.
Hey, PK. Haven't seen PK in a long
In
time.
a long time, man.
He's a Matala now, huh?
Yeah, you should be a Madala,
And that the
man.
PK do man. Hey man, you don't know Nketsang? Which one is this one?
Rex Rabani.
Rex Rabani. Now you know Nketsang.
Where you can imagine Nketsang.
You don't know Nketsang? Oh, you are not a South African.
African.
The wedding song.
We
You don't even know the wedding
the
song.
one that we want Kayona then. That song when Anang, we work Kayon. Okay, but if we didn't talk, 5 top 5 best crossover of all time. Obviously, angeke dibe ka di number, angeke re una le number 1
Number one, number two.
e to re shaya e re to qabana le batho ba baya ba tla comment. Re stela na usicommentele lapha endlini. Sifuna usichayele crossover ingoma the best top 5 crossover because mina I'm thinking Kalakatha unketsang qeda kuyifaka vula indlela
What do you think umapuna Satan?
Sinyaka was it angimazi umlungu wazi it no
Shisampama.
it's wrong number 1 usister Bettina dog
Oh yeah.
number 1 umharibe dog
But
uSister
do you
Bettina.
think white people know Mkharibe and Sister Bettina?
uthini umuntu lapha kunemavideo kuneclip engalibona uCherry ke akahothi wengamla base bebaze baku Edang Stadium bekudlala imatch rugby kudlala imatch rugby so bayishaya just after national anthem but bonke abahlali
Yeah, I think Sister Bettina. So
big ne
if you have
yeah like it everywhere
yeah, I think Sister Bettina. I was shocked ile Lesotho ka December. Bashapa Sister Bettina and everybody look at dikubo le dikoto. Ka dikubo ba palama di count. I'm telling you, bahlanya.
uyabona phela vele cabanga ina club yana uyashisa that's Lesotho
Hayi. Ku grand kuyafana kwezinye indawo. But mawusemakhaya obviously you find them in their blankets. Bashapa amalut.
mnandi lopi
Ndani lo.
Mnandi
Awangiphuzi
lo,
konje mina. Yeah.
vuma ntwana ngeke endorsement angeke ivaye ngathi une endorsement no unokubushaya sometimes
Yeah.
Yabona.
Njengomuntu omdala omangirelexile nabanye abantu abadala.
lekhumbula screamer
It's smooth.
uyazi
It's
besinyathela
smooth.
ngoyitshala phe containeni master containeni
Yeah.
stop though
It's dope.
it's dope so besathe Nkalakatha Sister Bettina
Rex abanye unketsang.
ya unketsang Rexabani indlela ne
Indlela. So there's nothing from Mafikizolo.
I know bathathile iminyaka it's not a crossover
For me, Homeless by Ladysmith by Mabaso.
Yabona yakhuluma manje. Yabona manje yakhurunya manje. Yabona yakhurunya manje. Juluka wisho.
Juluka kojubani le sha Osieza kojubani kamala
The mlungu guy.
Johnny.
Johnny Clegg.
yeah Johnny Clegg
Do you think we can put Nkosiyeza ngapha?
no that one is a crossover or if awufaki yona one of his songs Mandela that one ka Mandela
So wena ufuna ukumfaka ngenkani? Ufa ufaki yona mele ufake lenye. Ufa ufaki leyo funenye futhi.
siyase ku top 10 ithaba kaveza le ngathi mina no but the top 10 kahle kahle zibhaya
Because
Special Star. Remember that old song, Special Star?
for white people and
ayidlala amanota lapha eBiloni ntwana ninota nisigidimisa phela
I'm also thinking that
Uthandeka there's nothing ngathandeka PJ Powers
PJ Powers is just a name, but he wasn't singing.
ntwana.
PJ Powers done ahead jabulane
No, it's
when she was part of Mango Groove
right there, but not as a crossover. I think Evaya Orlando.
no white people don't play that song
Yeah. What if they do?
no only those who are deep into we're just saying
Maybe.
yeah bengu kwenye show eye 94.7
They play to Mkomboti.
yeah bawudlala umqombothi yeah bawudlala umqombothi
So there's nothing from hip hop.
hip hop is the name dog kokuqala
Umoya.
hayi umoya never White
Umoya
people, never.
will stay.
MT
No, Gama.
roll up
Nakhona it stays in the hip hop lane.
bedlala bomabram
Yeah, so very there's nothing.
white yeah but nje ingoma ezibhaya ndoda like ezikuprovela ukuthi music is just a universal language
Yeah.
just a universal language boy uyazi na ukuthi mawukhuluma music ungahamba lana uye China music uzokukhulumela better njengemali hayi wait kwanyita ukhuluma iqede
Ngoha.
Ngwa. Naya.
It's off.
Naya.
It's off. Ngwaya.
Ngwaya.
Nyana.
Ngwaya.
Ngaya nyana. Pinyanya. Sorry, man.
Lazo wena phela umuntu olisuthu ntwana nekara batho bale bathwere.
Batswere eng.
Bathwere lesotho dog.
Eh.
Chinese.
Oh, ke nana batswere ba galwa ka ga tshwere mikotla. Alwena mona o ibile ka nako ero.
Ke ba China.
Lesotho ene ka da batswere. I'm like yo. They've got a university called Lincoln University of Lesotho. Yeah. It's a media and we can media and technology and film. Kia media, busy and IT.
Oh yeah.
But I saw this other guy was campaigning, was a Chinese guy. To be
Guy
prime minister.
in Lesotho.
In Lesotho.
Utlong.
Hey ndoda lesikhothani bekalwa nenye kwisikhothani lebe kaphikisana naye lapha. Iya lapha emaralini. Igabantu amaclip.
Yo.
Igabantu amaclip ishayvele.
He's a billionaire, that one. The richest man in Lesotho. The current prime minister, Maretani. Emon now. Yeah, it sounds weird.
It's more like the richest man in Moz. Come on, Don, and take his secret.
The Ruperts. He's a Rupert
He's a
of
Rupert of that
Lesotho.
side, ne?
Yeah, Emon on the airport, Mjula. Yeah.
Yeah, but like there are people
Unali-
like in Lesotho, Botswana,
Yeah.
Zim,
Kaufela.
who will put South African billionaires to shame.
Yes. I mean,
Yeah.
the guy drives
Yeah.
Bugattis in
Mara obvious.
You see?
Obvious.
Oh.
The country.
Bugatti that are in South Africa driving by
Country ene corruption vele njengawo engenaraying njengawo. What do you expect? Vele uyazi ukuthi kuhlale kuphuma umuntu
Uyi-one.
oyi-one
Uvela
over
le.
the rest.
But ilona yakhe whatever in net worth whatever something ifita what you call ya country
Imagine.
uli one
Imagine.
nonsense
But that's nonsense. I mean, but politics.
politics
If country vele.
or hard work maybe
Or hard work, yes. Even
And-
hard
and-
work.
and-
Yeah,
yeah.
even hard work.
even hard work yeah let's not marginalize that factor It's a
But the way
factor.
I etsang ka teng to, ke a bona mole wa campaign, I'm like, okay.
I mean wa tseba politics everybody le mo ntse ba hlama mo ba tonosa lo tonosa ba thole di 100 rand okay let's talk music
Sike nini ndana mama.
I know young invite why are you talking politics because manje mina that's my home ground advantage mchana
Timer.
yeah time
Smart
na leader
So
about
that deep.
about smart I'm not sure but nearly time la ka nearly heartless you know so who no laniwa by that time una li di
He was
marabele
the one.
marabele ne he was the one
Nelel Russia ye
yeah he was in Russia every Russia that you ask now especially when tati baba khot they know my dad even komsliki ask them they will say ntata ka motshaba ntata o ne le satan ntata I'm like and I know very ntata the village we got to kada you'd go komreneng and tell morena to say meeting ya lona e qhalane wena u bua ing ya mao
Buguli vigilante
he
tama.
yeah he was
But
Yeah.
so music wise was he a music person?
no ne le ntate mong o trapanang o etsang tsa hae kwa I know he was not there
Not some describe as love life, man.
no
Was it that bad?
he was I love him kintato I mean he made me but yo nele ncha
Somehow ukukhuliswa kwabo nako ku shape indlela the way senze izinto ngakhona. I think but mina I'm thinking that good sometimes lesandla les their iron hand layer ya back in the days used to babona shape up abantu in
no I know I understand to you ne matalame lazy that guy was times 10 every somebody you think of the street
I know. Okay, yeah.
let me give you another story ne he went to my first sister my oldest sister may her soul rest in peace mnana mnyetsi was abusive he went there ne hona le bo malume bo rangwa le bo mang he went alone a tshwara ntate wa ntanga le bo mamang a ba tshwara ka lebota le ntate le ngwana hae a go kgalemele ntja ya hao ha ke khutla hape ke tlo le bolaya and he murdered them there Who does that?
Angry man.
Who does that?
Do the same thing with your daughter, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
Ah,
but-
mona yo, are
but
you
wouldn't
be like?
you?
That's a drive.
Wouldn't you?
O kena ko ntlong o tletse
Plus,
banna
vele
o
he has a
late
daughter,
o late.
Imagine your daughter.
I mean, come on, Tony. Imagine your daughter uthola vele awuthi
Yo, my man.
elimemphendula punching.
Ya o tla kena o
You know
Ma-
what's up.
Aye, neo ngeke mfana. All that anti-violence shit goes out the window, baba.
Somebody must.
Phuma nge-window.
ma those such
Nah,
stories
but-
are
but
unheard
yeah,
of. That's
Yeah, you know,
that's
man.
unique.
Yeah, mara
Yeah,
mara
that-
yeah, into mfethu ngosiyawu mfethu.
Yeah,
Asazi nama ngifuna ukukhuluma ngazi. Maybe
Yeah.
ngiphamkani.
yeah,
She's 11.
yeah.
How old is your daughter?
We need to relax. She's 9. She's turning 9 this year. We need to relax. Batlojola man.
Yeah, mfana vele
No,
akusizi.
that's not a story. The story is you touch, you get touched.
You touch, you get touched.
Yeah,
Yeah, you touch, you get touched.
uzozwakala lana.
Yeah, uzuzwakala ngala mathash wakhe uPK.
The concept of kids, especially girls, man.
Damn,
Yeah.
man, sensitive.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man,
Ah, it's
ngoba
very
manje
ne.
ngoba vele umhlaba esikuwo
Why
man,
nina-
awusekho safe for
A-
bona.
And you guys vele abantwana amantombazane nithukile.
Thukile
Ngiyapanika.
ntwana by the way izinto zihamba ngakhona, aren't you?
Nah, don't panic mchana. Work it, relax.
How?
Believe in yourself. Utlo khona udeliver that grand.
No, I'm not
Prepare.
worried. I'm not worried kauba the father at grand.
You are worried about things not going the way batlang.
No, the surrounding, it's the one engwarisha.
Yeah, beef up yourself go khona who arm against the
I'm talking
riding. Meet it.
Kamkani.
Meet yabona wa
that's why
panika.
I grew up
Ha batla lata phamkani wa panika.
No.
Utswile, I'm telling
My
you.
most relaxed mode.
That's a guarantee.
That's my relaxed mode.
You are in your relaxed mode because utsere phamkani. You need to be in your relaxed mode to wena.
Yona e bua
Who said
clearly.
phamkani ya hao e tla
Yona
etsa gore
ka
a be
ya
safe?
mpala. Ke batla
Ekare.
ntho e tlo bang le language e straight. So I think a pumpkin will
E
do.
rasa ho feta.
Yeah,
Ba, ba,
man.
ba, ba. No, ijalo mchana.
By the way, sesephakathi angakaskip ku music
Yeah.
bafethu iHerbert twana. Herbert screamer. Le album mfana.
Absolutely.
Mfana. Mfana. Bafethu, yenzani show ukuthi nomamela uHerbert to. Okay, imas country yeza aka ngikhohliwe the date, but let's go to iHerbert. For now, it's the best album eliphumile for now with real content. I learned the pop bottles every time, man.
Ne?
Awukhathali maka ilo content twana.
Yeah, no ngiyakhathala.
Like,
That's
I
why
would love even naku piano ngathi ingoma lezi ezikhuluma more about ishandis le yabona abantu
Abo
uplift
girl,
abantu.
yeah, ibe
Ngathi
more.
kungaduma zona than
like which one vele
Even
piano
though I just
enzi
recorded the
sense?
song,
Mama
top
Thula.
scrap.
Thulu ngakhale.
Yabona yeah ngathi singathola lezi ezinjalo yabona.
After that is mina nana Paragon Pendernon mina nabangani bamukela mina.
Into ebhayisayo.
Yeah,
Into
it's
ebhayisayo. Uyazi mfana utshwala yibo
so
wenzayo.
yeah, manga I wish like ama artists angaba more creative and more braver ilona.
That's why ngikhala ngale album because to be honest with you on this album Habit Donna there's not even one song okay yathukana lene
yeah.
but there's not even there's not did you hear line la khuluma nge banging clapping popping uplifting
Yeah,
like lela
yeah.
album lonke ntwana ngize ngatshela abajita ukuthi like ngirelate nalo ngathi uringa nami ntwana like there's songs like do better.
Yeah.
It'll be like that. Like it's songs that. talk to
Yeah, I
your
think it
heart.
reminds me of J. Cole's album. I can't remember which one.
I know.
Yeah.
2014.
Yeah. I
Forest
think
Hill.
yeah. I think that album was proper.
Ntwana ngathi ngavele ngibuze abantu ukuthi bali memory oyikhumbulayo if you've ever had a memory a grand or whatever umamele uJ Cole.
J. Cole.
Abona lapha
There's
waba
plenty,
and do you
yeah.
know ukuthi ngalela album akazange akhiphe promo akazange akhiphe single la ngithi uyazi ukuthi as artist maybe mozo
Keep
drop
single, yeah. And then album
That's
follow
done.
after. Untanu vele
that's
wa
a pure just
wal
album.
dedela.
That's a boom. Now album is born.
That's why even most
But it
songs
can
like
play.
we knew this song
Do you
before
wanna-
many others kwalandelenye like
Yeah.
besilandelana so for
Yeah.
years.
Like we link it.
Legendary.
That's why
dog.
I'm saying, you know what? It's American, what, but now we thola episode.
Yeah.
Let's do better album.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. Like it's something else, dog. Like it's something else. But uyazi ke sonke simele usijava. Nosijava uyeza. Woo! Hayi madoda umluzi kuzoba mnandi 2023.
Uzangani?
Yeah, drop album lakhe I think end of this month. No, yingaki namhlanje 24. Udropa nge-27 usijava.
Because
Most anticipated. Okay, for me now. It's one of the albums in his man.
It was me.
Kakhulu.
But just like Umlando, who's that boy? The one Mapurisa boy. The one uhambe nami Umlando. Mlindo. Yeah, just like Umlindo. The second project Mchana. He's still
But it's not the
Umlindo,
second
Mara.
project, the
Third.
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 Java
Yeah,
is-
ma, if you compare
when
that,
you-
the one what?
Umqhele.
Umkhele. Umkhele
phela-
was proper Mchana.
Yeah, baba.
So
They
I
say-
don't
someone
think
will
I
say,
don't think
"You
he's
see
gonna
numbers."
I don't think he's gonna
Java is
undo.
good. That's why
So
Java is good.
yeah, do you think Java is gonna undo what he did in Alama album I
It's
too, the previous two albums? I doubt.
Mina
dog.
ngicabanga ukuthi
I love him too much,
so
but I
far-
doubt.
So far, he's gonna be the most consistent. If not this one, like it's
Yeah.
gonna be the fourth album. Elzoba another thing AINs yabona. Might not be the same. I'm anticipating ukuthi ibe more
Ibe
this
more.
one because
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
iskati astatile before a dropper. I mean, as sometimes unokubamba ngani. Well, sometimes unokubamba ngokuthi lalela ama features awashaye of late. If you can listen to ama features awashaye of late,
You can tell the
you
direction
can
that
tell
he's gonna
ukuthi
take.
the direction he's gonna take. I understand. So I'm really waiting for the album lela ntwana like yeah I'm feeling ukuthi uzoyenza ma
No, mina ngiyamthemba.
and then
Untwana,
AKA
I trust him. AKA
Skema Prada uyizwile Kulichana Kinen. Okay.
I have not.
Uyizwile.
But I trust the two.
Yeah, uyabazi.
I trust the two.
Mara anginasho. Maybe mina kwamele ngimamele futhi.
Bani, Luciano yini?
AKA. Yeah.
Kama collaboration wabo has always been.
Ntwana, come on, man. This shit is guaranteed to draw. Because it is guaranteed to bang. Ay.
Look at yourself.
Kuli.
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 I cool him, Chana.
Top five hip hop artists of South Africa
Cool.
from old to now.
Emina, kina luploma kiliwani kinani mama. And now still Kulichana Mchana. Yo.
Yeah.
Kulichana Mchana.
Kuli.
Then I give Kufatsona Vele to be Kulichana. To be Aries. Emina K Black Players. That's my top.
Black Players.
Yeah, I'm giving you 5, ne?
Yeah. 2.
Imagine not putting Casper or AKA Nasty C. Mchana, should I? Do I want to? Should I? Ngafaka uCasper ucabana nami. Casper. You know ngimfakile uCasper. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Casper, Ntwana. For real. Dog is serious, Mchana.
Cass is dope.
Cass is dope. Umaka, you don't agree.
No,
Look at
Cass
your
is
face,
dope.
no Umaka.
No, Cass is dope.
Nah,
Cass
man.
is dope.
Give me medal when I wish you don't mean it.
No. Cass is dope. But
Cass
yeah,
is
top
dope.
5 is hot. Ufaka unesti futhi phakathi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Plus
let to
ubonile
see
Chris Brown.
Aries.
Bonile Chris Brown
Yeah,
vele
co-signed
Nesty.
Ntwana. Yeah.
Nesty is dope.
Yeah.
Nesty is dope. I still have a problem with people abalubele bamcompare no Reese. I feel ukuthi abantu abayi-2 abahlukile.
Very different.
Ne?
Very different.
Plus uReese uzowashaya line elithini. Aka entertain this thing of ukuthi aziprove ukuthi ubest. Kwamele aza take it down.
Someone
or
else.
prominent or whatever like it. It's not.
Yeah.
Plus uqeda ukuthatha i-tape lakhe lokugcina uqeda ukuthatha i-album of the year. Ngazi bayirotela nje la ku Twitter ngohliwe ukuthi bokuyini though straight but
And I think Uris is the best in Ntwana.
between the two.
Like if we were to say the best ever in SA.
I know. Hey. Twin man. No. Hey, no. Okay. No. Asiphikise opinion yakho. Siyaphikisa nje. Yeah, siyaphikisa nje. But no.
Also, like it, so who is the best rapper ever? Like Stogie.
Stogie for you. Okay,
I mean, hip hop, not the best lyricist, rapper, or like study hip hop.
Spanning enough. Okay, shoot when uturis. Like the best.
Like mina, if batu hamba nobani niyoshona le. Yeah, ngihamba no Reese ntana. I can listen to ntwana anytime anyway.
Screamer. The best.
As a Stogie.
Stogie.
In my mind.
Say so.
Not changing my
That
mind.
is like a say so.
Say so.
Nigga say so.
So you can be
Nigga
heard.
say so.
Yeah. K.O.
K.O.
Yeah.
PK, join us, Ntwana.
I fucks with this nigga. Stop.
Stogie. I want to
Ngiya-understand ukuthi
Why am I
ni
surprised?
yiphi inhlobo le.
Wow.
Get my man, yo.
The best. Nenye intwana eke yathi kimi. Awasodaka. Kasipina masemba kunelinye nina lishayayo elithi Casper Siminya, yeah, I'm the man. Okay.
Yeah.
Nabo sister. For a change could be head nabo sister. Uthe la hambe khona. Ngiyafuna ukusitela mina.
Batu Stocky. DJ Stocky. Kodwa ngiyamthanda uStocky bakithi.
Stogie T. Stogie.
Uthi DJ Stocky.
Nasty. Ngibona celebrate vele makathi nasty.
Nasty.
Yeah. Aye, combos nasty. But Stogie, if city lyricist, rapper, sizothi Stogie.
So when I'm-
But overall, I wouldn't say Stogie. Maybe I
Nami
would
ngivumela
say,
nawe, nami
I would
nawe,
say
yeah.
maybe nasty. Nakhona ngijustify ngani ngama moves abusy ngawo as we speak. And espale consistency yakhe in this 10 years or over 10 years
Yeah, I'm not disagreeing with you, but you have to understand that there is a market, right?
Yeah.
So when Stogie came out, hip hop wasn't that broad in South Africa. It was
Yes.
still, it wasn't a main genre.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
wasn't competing with
Yeah.
the main genre.
Yeah.
So Stogie had that disadvantage to him.
Yeah.
So had he come up now at the age of Nasty, he would have killed all of them.
But he's been there.
Yes,
To
but
see
the thing is umdala. So abantu abadala
Like relevant.
about to move from hip hop they went to jazz.
Okay, as we
I've
are.
moved from
Honesty
hip hop.
ungene nini gaming.
But
Honesty ungene nini gaming.
Under 17.
Yes,
And
under
that was
17 ungene
it
nini.
was last year. What was
20
it? Manje, 20,
Hey, and I
21.
think Stogie da.
motherfucking
Da bekasaso
2014.
Cristiano. Bekasaso Cristiano, Stogie
No,
T.
no, so to me from the volume.
Yabona. So I'm like,
He has never been a
Bekalibela
Cristiano.
ku-prime.
He's never been a
Bekalibela ku-prime.
Cristiano.
Hey,
I was maybe some Zinedine Zidane vibes, not Cristiano.
Yeah,
Nah,
man,
dog.
lyrics wise, he's the best lyricist in South Africa. But Donna, there's reason. Hasn't there reason? Has the reason kwenzakalani? Reason I feel ukuthi abantu basuke bajudge ama moves wakhe outside the music, the art itself, and off late he decided to switch aye ku piano. So abantu bayabona.
But thina bamaziyo mele sikhulume ngokuthi ureason unama reasons sokuthi
One of
abe
the best.
Okay, the best.
When my
hip hop
head's
album-
like, yeah, just bang through it. That's why you do me even signed Ntontwana. Yeah.
maye umalume simvala ngaphandle vele. Yeah.
Because no one mentioned him. When he's one
No
of
one
the
mentioned.
No,
And
Sakonisa. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us
Mele
it's on TikTok, man.
mele si
Sakonisa,
apologize.
Si recorder from S6 ekatlong and the sesibala abantu abay more than 20 over my best lyricist makasibala Quest. Fuck that shit.
Yeah.
Fuck that shit.
Are you
It's
saying
wrong,
it
it's
because
wrong.
use K1?
No.
Nah, we say K1 and then there's some shit about him here.
Good things are South Africa, dog. Questa. Plus, ngaba fortunate enough ukuthi was besku part hip hop back in the days. We had a clique, so we were once kuma cipher sonke. Ya ngazi intwana zami zamkakela wazikakela. Yes.
Zamtell.
Uyazi now. Six uyazi over the bridge down uyakava now. Phela ungakhohle ku 2017, 18, 19 and a bit manje 6 is still part of the movement of hip hop in South Africa. West 2017 we ikatlong be owner hip hop industry. South Africa actually
because
of
of
Dakatu.
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 So
Yes.
big shout out to Marco.
Big shout out to
Yeah,
Marco
no,
Beats.
even Umakwa. Plus Umakwa, yeah.
Umakwa produced the whole
I think 70%
or half of
the-
70% of it Dakatu.
or half.
Yeah.
It's over 50. I don't know.
Yeah, so
But it
yeah,
was one of
so
the best,
so
best,
now that
best,
we going back to your top 3.
Yeah.
If
well,
I were to
again,
challenge you
talking
to give
about
me your
best tapes,
23.
Like, what would be your best hip hop tape, like in South Africa of all time? Yeah, hip hop.
Angithi yazi ukuthi DJ ntwana maka.
Yeah.
Maka yazi ukuthi angikhama ntwana.
Angikhan.
Mina phela ngomamela wonke.
Yeah, A1.
Fana azini. I-tape or album. Album fana has to be levels. Though.
Levels.
Levels. Kinen. No nego. Thanks. Bye. Yeah. Wena? Album.
Angifuni ukukhuluma amanga mina. Yo, I don't normally listen to ama albums onke ephelele. Ngilezi sishaya
Yeah.
but I'll have to give it to
Hey, mara siyadelela thina kule show.
Antana yo aye awungeke sibala Antana I album laka Aries, the recent one,
What's the name of
the one the 5-year plan, the one that has 5-year plan.
Oh, yeah. Tomorrow's memory.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was good. But
Yeah, it
yeah.
was a good album.
Mine would be, well, I said all time, right? Mine would be Utux. Mafuko Art.
Mafuko
For me, that was
Hey, when now legend, mona. Hey, you
Mafuko
you went way back, Mafukami was the one that has 525,000.
I'm still standing, Lee. Kinen, man. Kinen levels was something
Levels
else.
was something else. I was
Levels
playing
was
it this
five,
week.
over five times blood. I think.
I think Kinen's the best artist in South Africa. Scotland hip hop, not Scotland but Kinen.
Yeah,
He's
one
an
of the
all-rounder.
best.
He's one of the
Yeah,
best
he's an
we've had,
all-rounder,
that the
but
country
advantage
has.
ukuthi akakhulumi venek.
Yeah.
Yeah, because even ukhetha ungambali out when it comes to hip hop as a whole in South Africa.
Yeah.
He's-
You can't.
yeah,
You can't.
count him out. Lapho hayi. But if sikhuluma ngobu real, no.
Yeah.
You guys did.
He's real.
Hip hop, doggy dog, hip hop.
Like,
Yeah.
that's why ngithi sometimes sithanda ukufaka labantu sibacategorize sibayenza ama competition bangekho na ku same thing. Ucategorize middle fielder ne striker
striker.
dog ufuna ukuthi siphumele ukuthi who's the best
Yeah,
player.
yeah.
Or ne goalkeeper. Uyabona ukuthi lapho sinokuyi confuse yabona. But yeah. Mafuko ami yo
Mafuko Army.
Scream uveze enye ntwana.
Reminds me of Mrafi.
I would wish to interview Utuk. Just
Utuk.
sit down and just talk Utuk.
And
Maka kakhulu momulini.
Mr. Mo.
I
Hey.
know, hey, yeah, now you learn even a lot from even the business.
Business side, yeah. Cause I was listening to the track Kiamang. Oh, is it Aretha Franklin? The one they did for Skim Sam. Ah, is it? That song that plays when who can I heard the original from Regina Bell or Aretha Franklin. I was like, fuck, he did a brilliant job there,
Well,
man.
very good for sampling, but
For
but Diagona very for sampling. Like South Africa was dope. Sampling.
Kinen. Especially when he did that song, yeah. All of the ding.
Okay, we get producer wise. Producer wise, well. Ubani then?
That's okay back in the days.
Back in the days. Oh, in new school sebabaningi laba bafethu ne, and uthola bayenza kaso ne. Yeah, new school, yeah.
And I think what Umarko did good. I think there's about two songs.
It's Maporis, isn't it Maporis?
No, they said it go SABC one. They were like
But Maporis.
they all had a hand.
That song even Maporis.
Uthi yakamaka.
Maporis wagcina sekathi
Maporis.
uMakwa uhlafune sonke ifeel style from Ingodo because uyo wayiproduce.
So who
uMako hayi uMako wavela kwenye podcast bathi amapolice hayi akazi next uvela sekavela phezulu sekazoname ingoma ngeso antana katseba lebitso la pina
I remember that podcast.
ngesafaka igama lakhe
That was after basho kanjalo ukuthi baphorisa kotela uhlala phezulu upstairs makezwa ngathi mnandi asifake into eso and give it a name.
amathita so far mfethu okwamele siwashayele izandla via music industry via the piano success piano. He's done a lot for that.
He's done a lot, ne?
He's done a lot.
Yeah.
He's done a lot.
So and you remember he used to be a hip hop producer. He did the Afro.
Okay, he did
Umapurisa uyonke. He worked now with Batarang King. He worked. No Casper also.
Wizkid.
Wizkid.
Yeah, I think una something go album lelaga with. Essence.
Umapurisa.
Paul.
Yeah.
Nah, ngathi una something.
I think yeah. So
yeah,
overall,
man.
generally, I think
Overall,
Maphorisa
but what are you
Maphorisa is the
looking
best.
forward to?
2023. Mina I'm hoping, especially Reitlisa local.
Oh, record, ne?
Yeah.
I know. Check off all place. Azi lazy. Wapapa manole. Yo wapapa. Everywhere. Uyabazi abantu ekasi abangajwayelanga umuntu
unimpilo.
Active. Yes.
I remember some motherfucker somebody saying abanye abantu ba jack of trades and masters of none. And then mina like mina ntana everything uma ngizothi ngiyayenza le ngiyenza ibe yinhle. So even if I don't master them, but I get 80% or 70% out of everything. So mina that's the shit. So talking about mina I played soccer and I remember goalkeeper Kushapa, but no ngekho ngiyagame wena bodla ama dice. So I played soccer, but on the music side about the plans. Coach Java neke matha. No, I was doing athletics.
Usadlala mole center.
Nikidlala athletics.
Okay.
Neke matha. Was running away. Yeah, so I'm hoping this end, and if we can have more hip hop events, especially.
Yes.
I know I never call the piano going, but if we can have more, go Jam Tech, no, go K1, and then I think it's a perfect space for young people can come through and just express themselves, ballet. And I'm also interested in getting young people like the I don't know, like having some funds behind whatever we're gonna do. If you perform, the best performer, the best whatever people vote, and then Maphorisa or produce one song. We know we need to assist artists. So in 2023, I'm looking into
TLT. Shout out to TLT because TLT did the same thing. TLT banale this song about Pushang, whereby remember that Nasty Steez where Bafaga a hook and then they leave a space for a 16 or a 32 and then whoever that comes up with a verse into Yempu Bam feature and then they going to supply distribution for the song. Shout out to TLT.
Shout out to TLT.
Go to TLT page. TLT amazing.
Yeah.
TLT_amazing. Check it out. I think it's a competition SSA Life namanje. Yeah, so yeah, bafaka lapho.
So I might as well go drop a 16 pass.
Hey man, if it's
Chief,
still...
why la khaso? Mafuki to drop mafoko ami da.
Skima, ulakhat man.
I'm going to do it Ntwana, and then utlosaba boy. Utlosaba mchana. Emina ngitomsabisa. Ntwana, I'm going to do it and I'm going to give it my all.
Yeah.
Phela mina kintswemi kiliricist. I used to write for Machita. Go to studio. I would sit there by it. Ask the camera guy. I would sit there and I've written for him. And
who's Erikamtsebang.
Welcome to bang.
I not about to me or not. Mara everything how can beat no. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know Ntwana tseta E2L.
E2L.
Yeah.
Mono nalintwana entswemu
Yeah.
Explorator.
Too good Explorator. All of them.
I only know Explorator.
So he expert. Yeah, abo Eagle Eye and stuff.
Oh, Eagle Eye.
I've been in this. Yeah, I can literally Eagle Eye when he started in Swim. It calls bitches up. And then they're like, oh, bitches up. I'ma do all these motherfucking dancing, all bitches up.
All bitches out.
Eminem is some hype up song. Never try.
Who was on production?
Oh, no, it's not Six Boy. I forget his name because it's a lot of gaming or Spanakoma comes. Ke leave it. Marine production. Eminem can say, "What is stock sweet? Can I track the stock sweet?" Yeah. Domestic, that's Domesto. Domestic 6 point.
6 point.
Yeah, no, I see. No, I.
His name before his name, Domesto. That was the first name.
Yeah, I know he was Domestos before he became 6 point. I'm just saying,
No, Pela, Domesto, I don't wanna lie. I'm not saying I'm the one pick or what. But Domesto, that's a work name.
it's like a Domesto.
Yeah.
That's the shit I used to think Domestos.
Yeah, like he was so dope to be Domesto.
To be Domesto. Then I was shocked, like,
Oh, well,
ikishapa
mara,
event.
explain on it.
Elonini, ngibona igama elithi
Domesto.
no 6 boy. I'm like, who's bad? Because kanti manje uDomesto akafuni babe like no, Dana has changed.
It's changed. Yeah,
He wants to be heard.
Domesto was something else, dog.
Yeah, that's dope.
Imagine Bentley Domesto.
And Dana is also dope. Bona le Evan Leona no yamsuit, ringang he dropped this other
Humble.
track. Gamble.
Yeah.
The light-skinned nigga that looks like Vector. Yeah, that boy is there's this thing lane
Looks like
sitting.
Vector
Like,
is
yeah,
he big?
yeah,
Hips? What that?
he's big.
With hips.
Ay, mara, Vector
Vector
is way big. My hips.
Hips. Yeah, Vector ngithi le ambitious le etsuke ambitious.
In my hips.
Yeah, but
There's this song, Yaga Vector. Simutsuri Sinatra. He's singing there with some lady. And then he's wearing down some blanket with some bambos there, and the blanket goes high, and then Tanga has got some thingies there.
I know he has titties. Amachita, what's that? Amachita now with titty, ne?
Yeah.
Amachita mawane. Okay, Stella, let's tell you, Nani, and you commented that I'm a titty, ne?
Yeah.
I don't think
niggas
it's
got titties. Yeah.
Niggas got titties. Yeah, niggas have titties.
Yeah! Yo, imagine, man.
Hey, mfethu ngibona Nkosi ngokuthi
Manje bana
ngine
ama-hips.
stress, ngawonda.
Nkosi mina ngiyanona, ngicela intwana ngiyanona. Nkosi
Sana phathwa
ngiyanona.
stress. As in Jole 6.
Now on this way.
No. Okay. Yeah, I think toxic. They are not 6 where's the 6 waba hey.
Abanyento.
Yeah, so it's
So,
6.
bawubile phela.
Ngiyadlala, but yeah, 6 ikaslam lihle kabi.
Yeah.
And of late I've realized ukuthi since sesine mall sokunabocheka bahle. Have you noticed?
As Ibuti.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
long time.
Mona utsaka
Sebakhole 350 kakhulu kaningi.
Yeah.
Ramkunupi then Limpopo.
Oh. Yeah, ibuthi ntate. Welcome. Rena le molo.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
man.
But now I'm excited and about the Big Head Show. It's back.
Mfethu.
It's a beautiful platform for Ntana Tsinyani. I know, but I think we need to bring the big dogs.
Yes.
Bato. Yeah.
Because we need value for how we be head. We need to make sure we attract relata le batho bada
Yeah.
so that they can inspire ba Eritrea ngoba
Yeah.
yetsa. No, let your voice be heard, you understand?
Yeah.
And besides, it's part of the plan vele going forward, and obviously we will be working together.
Yeah.
For nako itelle, you understand? So
Yeah.
shout out to that. And we won in the village seated hiding our spanner together. One of the donkey tails. Most people
Yeah.
the donkey talk.
Angicavi mina nginganga. And I think also the most important part, leaving those old artists the forgotten ones. If you can have some of those, go and bring
Where are those?
pasta.
And really, how come
Segment.
Segment. Where are those? Plus, you have that pitchy
Bapilaba.
voice.
I pitchy
Keep that
voice.
pitchy voice. I know about actor
Thing is fab.
Yeah, nene, so we will need that voice.
Baphi labo? Uphi loyo?
Yeah, sesiyazi ukuthi sesikhuluma nento ne. Yeah, we should have those.
We should have those.
Ntwana, sike saba no mqonje ubani? Sbu from Dallas sesifikile.
etsa tjena o tla re tseba re etsa so the ones ya Coca-Cola what
yeah sabana one of amachita abekade abe wada le voice enkulu
oh bekuya sethwala but befuma ngeyikatlehong
oh I remember shout out to Spiwe bekeza no Spiwe makangana yeah bafethu inbox yethu ivulelwe in number screamer we're still using the same number.
Yes we are.
Yeah, we're using the 081 mfethu ile yakho ngithi 076 kwa uskima ulahla amafoni uskima ulahla ifone uskima uphuza amoshe ifone uskima abusive relationship baphula amafoni
yeah
0814663858
isho abayizwe futhi bathini ngesivenda masithi baphinde sister
abantu baloya abantu baloya
badolowe phela msiki
abantu baloya lebe mavenda mapedi yalo yankathe
663858
yeah plus vele le company engisebenzelayo sesipana nonto isipana nomagayva so kwamele ungifake ngesivenda yeah ngifuna ukuthi mangemcela favor ngakho
abantu baloya
but sisounda kamnandi mfethu asisounda njengani isivenda sounda French ne
abantu baroya imagine sinethi designs coming in saying abantu baroya
no ntwana phela kwamelanga kuyilwisa
there's nothing nice and smooth about Venda.
If you think French adjust that to French and then ibi khulumis Venda
abantu baroya there's nothing there bomakhazi
yeah bakasona sinjalo mfethu fana noma uzwa abantu abase eNigeria kuna this tribe abathamani Yoruba mabakhuluma ngamalimi vele
ngamathanga
yeah and vele laba ababekelwa le eNigeria vele
yibo laba bazela South Africa bavula amasonto bakhuluma ngamathanga
yeah ilaba ethi mabakhuluma yeah bengineline bengilaze la khona ngelikhohliwe but yeah nabo bakhuluma kamnandi even isivenda sounds the same yabona ilanguage engathi inzima uzwa nawe ayi engathi kuyaliwa vele yazi ileza Igbo nalezi ke ngayi ayamatsonga baba yazana
do you think so
yeah ayabheberila baba phela ngithi sesibhala amagama esizwa uma uwakhuluma uzokwana izinejeka malisefonini noma lifonela imeli endlini
la untwana just said imanyile and then you said babheberile it doesn't look like it sound like into ekhona leyo
aggressive bana
no it sounds like nonsense like
mina angisinge lo muntu yeah yini show yes
we need to be here yeah I wanted to say something and also talking about music we need ama artists especially album rapper who rap ngamanye ama languages although Swati sound like shit but we need to have some
then Swati sound like shit
yeah who sing hip hop abashaya hip hop
bakhona angithi bazobazi ngathi
no
yeah this nigga uthini
bashaya hip hop
sounds like shit Swati is any language says into
ma kwezinye izinto ayikho hip hop
for abafazi
yeah le
nithini kahle
I right for Tobalano Swati is right from Davazo but you're not going to have the Swati guy to rapper
earlier nale mina nale iyangikhumbuza bekhuluma katso so siyakhuluma sithi which are the best Mona Ntwana screamer playing like a man hey
women imagine a man morning kanina nini nyarora la phayana and kitsa jwang tse rorang ha di gota ruta ututsi ruta ka silence ka khotso o rute o lebuwe modimo go wa ruta
yeah but yeah so skruba wa cherry ite Chinese
kya hana imagine
mchana ngiphala into ukuthi ngathi bamatha banalebu fab bye bakinale that ngabasola nje angaze ngiyabasola
amgaya she's gonna be coming back
But and it sounded just so.
The girls going.
Like Sutu, man. But yeah, anyway, it's the Beard Show, baby. It's the Beard Show. Make sure Facebook, the Beard Show, YouTube, the Beard Show. Comment, Bunisa da, shout out,
Subscribe.
tag whoever ofuna ukumbona on the show, ne? Yeah, tag any ntwana oyaziyo entwembu, whether they rap, they draw, everything art. Stinte lapho. Yazi now. As always, talk. They say 081-466. That's how you get in touch. And yeah, it's the Colorful
Talk podcast.
Yeah, Colorful Talk podcast. Nabo uyeda follow, subscribe.
Yeah.
Futhi mina ngifuna ama subscriber la apatala.
Creative Nation Network.
Yeah, mina sengifuna lama
subscribers apatala.
Sengifuna.
Do you know I'm at a level where Facebook is going to pay me? Bank send something, but you fill up your details lana usende what. So Facebook is going to start paying me. But now my content is rich. Mina ngintswembu.
18 cents.
Mina nginzam 18 cents for every post.
Oh yeah, oh shit. Hey.
Big shout out to who?
Big shout out to one of the shapeshifters, man. Shapeshifter, go getter. Yeah. Mfethu nawe ungazo uvela uswisa inhliziyo kabuhlungu sona umuntu.
Ukhuluma ngobani manje?
Ukhuluma ngoT. Shout out bafethu. Yeah. Shout out. Lapha i6 ilose a globetrotter dog. Yeah, a mover.
Yeah.
A mover. It's a pity sometimes kusala
Sala logo kuningi logo khona.
Yeah, but shout out to T.
Shout out to T.
Anyazi bosipana naye kakhulu ne. Spanile, I think.
Yeah, like untana when he started whatever he started.
Yeah. You were there. I know.
Angifuna ukusebenzisa lamagama athi I made him because he sounded weird for it, but I made him.
If you make someone, it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good thing. Ngithi manje sidoma sikho emotional intelligence sithatha ngenye indlela.
And uqeda ungijumpisela ukuthi you're not.
I'm not. I am.
Even thinking ukuthi ukusho kanjalo yabona.
Yeah.
But hey man, shout out to T, man. Shout out to T, nice to the family dog. And nathi abangani bakhe kakhulu abafowethu kwamele baqhubeke ngelegacy yakhe. I noticed amajita basabhayisa lapha is2penny, you understand? Yeah. Support bafethu, support. Check S2penny on Facebook. Support the movement. Support, man. And we still have to have shows because now abafethu abaningi, and it's sad how abajita ba akawateke via kabuhlungu sona ntwana umuntu obekade afaka impact positive kangaka ekhasi, you understand? Enye into kwamele sizinake sikhulume ngazo lezo.
We will Mchana, we
will. It's not ayoba dog.
Yeah, I think 2023 should be a year where we are building and creating, not deleting and deleting.
Yes, man.
It's nonsensical, you know.
God bless wonke amasoja wethu, wonke apushayo, abo cameraman, ifethu sikhulume emamayikini. Like this is the year we have to just shine. Get the shine, man. Be heard. Be heard, dog.
Get out there and be seen. Be heard and be seen.
Be heard, be seen, man.
Yeah.
Be seen. It's about time. The t-shirt is still there. It goes for 220. We have a designer manya so dropper. Yeah, not lotion card.
Nam sengicabanga ukushayela yini i-brand.
Branding.
Akusizoba baningi kakhulu.
Well. But
I think
anyway.
Sibaningi and bayashota. Anyway. Actually bayashota ama-brands.
Ama-brand ayashota. Like as abantu banokuhlekisa nokuzwa abantu lapha bathi mababona la bathi sokunenye abathi awubokune bhatha sokune drip sokune via. And now you like, and then mom vala umuntu and you like, okay. How many international
there was
brands?
Nike, there was Adidas, there was Reebok, there was Puma, there was this, there was Fila, there was Reebok, there was Jean.
When abantu bethu our own start doing izinto ezinjalo, we start thinking they too much. Ayinalo sekayapheka.
Yeah. I think it's that
abapheka ngokufana labantu.
Ile point yabo futhi abantu abafana naleyo.
Oh yeah. Futhi
sunakho futhi. Ngqondo wakho.
Yeah, but futhi
if
you have that mentality, futhi bafethu let's support the cause. Let's support the cause. Anyone who push a movement, faka lapho ndoda. I be happy if you push anything, faka lapho on our page.
Faka.
I'm trying to keep it short.
Yeah, it's
I
faka.
don't need your like. I just want your share.
Yeah.
phela kuwo wonke ama platform. Even if you don't like, just share, because
Just
I know
share.
ukuthi ngeshare the message
Iyandlula.
iyandlula,
Yeah.
understand? Like izophelela kithi, and it's not ayoba, you understand?
Yeah.
I mean, we need to hear the
We need to.
MTs. You need to usitshengise the president elandelayo. And by the
Yeah.
way, mfana ibihadi namasimba. Last year one of abantu esiba interviewile yabana lapha kufuneka ihona wathatha isama Hacksoul. Shout out to Hacksoul. Ngihlala ngisho lento because it's what we stand for.
Yeah.
So yeah, Hacksoul once came to Behead.
Best
And
artist of the year.
yeah, wathatha best artist of the year.
Yeah.
No one knew him.
I watched the episode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out.
You know me. Me, I watch.
I watch yours.
You watch mine too.
Uyathukana kakhulu.
Yathukana.
Ngabe ngicabanga ukuthi ngithukana ngcono but ngirealizile ukuthi ay champion
Yeah.
ngiyadlala because mawuthuka imo message undlula ne.
Yeah.
Nasendlini mabathi kuwe hayi man washa izitsha ngathi beyingangeni but
Yeah.
full
What's
tap
up? What is it?
washa izitsha wena.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi shit otherwise after the full tap something else is coming.
Something is gonna happen.
Yeah. Shout out to everyone. Let's all love one another. Let's support one another. Yeah, dog.
Let's make
Yeah.
money.
Anything to say?
No, just
about,
people to follow me on all social platforms. It's your boy Mr. Weezy, Mr. White, the Ekurhuleni boy. So go to Facebook, Ekurhuleni boy, on TikTok, Colorful Talk Podcast, on Instagram, Ekurhuleni boy, on Twitter at Ekurhuleni boy. That's who I am. I'm a very nice guy.
Ukushoda Weezy.
It's your boy
Weedy with a titty, Weezy.
smoking weed. It's your boy Mr.
Smoking
Weezy
weed.
behind the
No,
music, the
no,
Ekurhuleni busy, mother fees, take it easy, and if it's easy, let's all get busy. I'm out.
Sure.
Aye.
Yeah, it's the Behead Show. Follow us to everywhere. Santanda, Botane Makaya. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to Screaming Teen. Shout out to Say So. Shout out to everyone. Shout out though.
Yeah.
Shout out though.
I had fun, by
Khuluma
the
ngama
way,
shit.
man.
Oh, you had fun.
I had fun.
Yeah, it's a
Mina
kind of,
ngithanda ukupepereza, ngithanda ukukhuluma noma yini.
noma yini ne?
Yeah.
Nginotisile mfana but yeah kwelinye ilanga nami ngikhuluma kuphela but angithi phela bengidriver manje.
Yeah.
Mama udriver ubheka indlela ngoba mongalobela uthi uphase lapho ugcina manje sescratchile. Kanti hey, I can talk for days dogs. Nga record for 4 hours. Kwamele sibheke record dwana Gina well genius record.
You 10
I think
hours
mina
talking.
now masinga recorder.
We can.
Podcast 10 hours.
We can.
Ne? But attention span is a problem. Because I think abantu attention span won't last that long.
No, umuntu uzoyimama mabasemqimbini kuma emlindelweni
Yeah, plus,
bakhingekile.
on the same podcast you would play your R&B.
Yeah.
Kumele ngikunikeza playlist yami. Aqhaza playlist yami nge old school R&B talk.
Oh, it pass.
Yeah,
pass.
kumele ngikuguide
I'm actually
some
looking
songs.
for something different.
Something different.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngoba nina nonke manje kunale ngoma le. Ngizokutshela ngangitshela. Kunale ngoma le bonke.
Yeah, I know bayakhinya.
All I know, can't you see that
And I love you. Oh,
You're
bong bong bong.
like fucking 5 DJs.
Angidlali mina because of those reasons angidlali.
Yeah, cause eyakithi namasemba le.
Yeah, eyakini
Yeah,
namasimba.
nayo ngayitshela ngathi
Wangadlali leyo ngoma angisase relative yakho.
Yeah.
And also eyakini he came yangibamba ngesandla after I said lam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hayi ubambe. Serious.
Yeah, no ngisirious
Ngakubanje
ibuze.
nje,
I mean I even send you the pic where aqele ilona nami. Ashaya khona isithombe ngafakanga ibehead. No, beliceda ukushaya inamba. Yeah.
No, issue.
Yeah.
But yeah, mfethu kwamele because hayi mina ngikhathele. Fana nepiano one song, 50 days one song. Into ezoyenza ukuthi futhi ingakhuli into. Like mfana ma DJ, okay, ukugcina nje ngicela ukufundisa abo DJ. Ma DJ uyi teacher. A DJ is a teacher. Hence that's why uba phambili abantu bakubheke mawudlala music. Meaning ukuthi ma DJ a new song from back in the days, people will tell you a song beyidunyiswa ukuthi ibe ku a playlist a certain DJ to made. Meaning ukuthi if u DJ
You introduce
something new. Angiphiki faka abantu because of abantu into entsha ithatha isikhathi ukuthi bayenze abantu. Mara make sure ukuthi esetini lakho ntwana you teach. We can't have DJs abayi5 badlale underwear
Dlale kanti.
yonke into makuyingoma entsha bonke ngathi bonke bayidlala same sikhathi. You understand?
Yeah.
DJs please bafethu DJ, it's about teaching people, it's about introducing artist. If a DJ doesn't do that, it means ukuthi artist azokhawateka for exposure. And artist makakhawateka exposure, artist angeke sa produce music, akhipha music. Artist mangkhipha music, abo DJ abana music abazodlala. You understand? So at least as a DJ, make sure with every time ushaya selection ufundise abantu 2 songs. Phela, at least have 2 new songs. Play them till abantu bawajayele. Mase bawajayele, you add 2 more songs. By week 10, i-playlist yakho, it has new songs. You introducing another 2. Kanjalo mfana. Abantu bathanda into mabayizwe kaningi. Abantu siyabazi manje. Abantu abalandeli. Yeah, issue. Phumile X. Issue.
Nami ngiphumile. Ichu.